Good morning, babies. I'm ready to wash my hair. It's not so bad, but I think this is a good spot to do it here. I have here my rest. That's why. Let's do it. Everywhere are these big flies. Hey. Ah. And she loves my car. It loves my car. I drink my tea. I finishing to drink my tea. Then I want to go to Yamba, to McDonald's and the beach. And there's a pool also on the beach. It looks good. It looks very good for fly the drone, and there are so many of them. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to drive. I need to take the gas out because it yeah, dangerous. It can explode because it's the whole time in the sun. It's very hot, but I think to feel it in my tank, and then I have less inside, and yeah, it's less dangerous, I think. It's not so less how I was thinking. It's like that, but now the air is out, and I have so many on my car of these cucarachas. I don't know, that all is, it's too much for my field, because I filled it up before I came here to New Italy. That's why I don't know what to do. I checked my cooling water and it was lower. Okay, now I feel it more up, but look at this. I don't know. I have this here on my key. Maybe I can fix it. Yeah, maybe I try to fix that. So the man helped me. And now I have 39 minutes to Yamba, and he pulled that out and connected plastic bottle with the sink, you know. He connected together, and I hope it works. I need to look the temperature and see what happened, and then when it's gonna be the time to wake up for my dad, I call him and ask, is that okay? Let's see. But for the worst case, I have here my bag, and there's all thing inside what is important, and when the car starts to burn, then I take these things and run. Yeah, I hope not, but I prepare to the worst case scenario. Yeah. You never know with the old car. I've been in McDonald's, but they're so cold. I need a pullover and can upload the next video. Here we are. We are on the beach from Yamba, and there's the sun house. But there's not so beautiful like in Byron Bay, but there's cute. Here we go, drone. It is a bit too windy. The drone had few problems, but it was good. The man fixed me that here, but now can you see that? It's also leaking. Oh my god. Need to check. But it's okay. I don't. Yeah, but. I think this is under pressure and that's why it's like that, but it's not normal. I risked to drive, and can you hear the sound? These are my fuel canister bottles. Yeah. I'm on my sleeping area, but I'm not sure can I stay here or not. I go and ask because there's the other one, but yeah, let's see. I'm now behind a petrol station. It was assigned in the app Campermate, but I was not so really sure can I sleep here or not, and that's why I drove here and asked the people who work there, and they say yeah, you can sleep here. And there the car was working. Okay, it's leaking till now, but it leaks not so hard. That's why I drove maybe 60 kilometers and it was fine. So I wish you a good night, baby. See you tomorrow.